Where the fuck? It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love. Hey, I stack it up, can't get enough.
You guys asked for a tutorial on how to make the lightsaber intro, so this is how you do it. So you want to go to View Star, you want to go on Reeffect, and you want to press a plus sign, search bar, and turbulence. You can just spell true, and then take the E out, and turbulence. Make sure it's turbulence 1. And then you want it something like this where it's barely noticeable, like recognizable. And then you want to press quick VFX. Then what you want to do is go to multi-layer. Layer 1, you want to put on the layer that you just made. Then the next one, the logo, that has to have the effect. You want to go to mask, you want to go to color, then you want to pick the background. After you're done with that, it should be with this. You should have this. Then you want to do that same process over again, but don't put as much turbulence. So then you should get something like this. This one right here. You should get something like that. Then you want to do the mask thing again. Make sure it's color. Put the background. And then you have the effect. So this is how I do the filter. I just use my own Paint QR code. You could mess around with it and make it look better, but you can just use a QR code you find anywhere.